Jai Hind to all. Our next topic is laws of exponents for real numbers. Exponents means powers. Let a greater than 0 be a real number and p and q be rational numbers. Then we have our first law is a raised to power p into a raised to power q is equals to a raised to power p plus q when a is base and p is exponent, or we can say that p is power into a is base and q is exponent is equals to a raised to power p plus q when a is a same number and powers are different and these numbers are in the form of multiplication. Its resultant is a raised to power p plus q. For example, 2 e raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 e raised to power 1 by 3. In this examples, we have same base in the form of multiplication and powers are different. For this calculation, when we apply this identity a raised to power p into a raised to power q is equals to a raised to power p plus q, then we get 2 e raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 2 e raised to power 2 plus 1 by 3. In the further calculation, we use LCM of the denominator. When in the denominator both terms are same, then LCM is 3, and in numerator we get 2 plus 1 is equals to 2 e raised to power 2 plus 1, 3 over 3 is equals to 2 e raised to power 1 is equals to 2. And next law is a e raised to p and again power is q is equals to a raised to power p into q. When a is any base and p is its power and we get again power q, then resultant is a raised to power p into q. Clear? Both the powers are in the form of multiplication. And third is a raised to p over a raised to q is equals to a raised to p into a raised to power minus q, because if a raised to q in the denominator, or we can say that it is in the divide, we can write it a raised to power minus q in the form of multiplication. Clear? And by using first law, we can write it a raised to power p plus minus q, and plus minus q is equals to minus q, and we get a raised to power p minus q. Clear? Fourth, a raised to p into b raised to p. In the fourth law, we have different base and same power p. Then we can write it as a into b e raised to whole power p. Clear? And now we discuss some examples related with that laws. 3 raised to power 1 by 5 and again power 4 is equals to 3 raised to power 1 by 5 into 4 is equals to 3 raised to power 4 by 5. And in the third example, 7 raised to power 1 by 5 over 7 raised to power 1 by 3 is equals to 7 raised to 1 by 5 into 7 raised to 1 by minus 1 by 3. Clear? Because in the given statement 7 raised to 1 by 3 is in the divide, and when we change divide into multiplication, then sign of power is changed in opposite sign. If we get positive, then we change in negative. If here is negative, then we change in positive. And after that, base are same. Then for the further calculation, we add the powers. When we add the power, we get 7 raised to power 1 by 5 plus and in bracket minus 1 by 3. After that, when we remove the bracket, we get 7 raised to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. For the further calculation, we take LCM 5 and 3. we get 15 as LCM, and when we divide 15 by 5 we get 3, and 1 into 3 is equals to 3. Then negative sign, and when we divide 15 by 3 we get 5, and 5 into 1 is equals to 5. And in the next step we get 7 raised to power 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2 over 15, and we can write it as 1 over 7 raised to power 2 by 15. And next example number 4, 13 raised to power 1 by 5 into 17 raised to power 1 by 5. Now we have same power but base are different, and in the form of multiplication we can write it as 13 into 17 raised to power 1 by 5. 13 into 17 is equals to 221 raised to power 1 by 5. And in the fifth example, 16 raised to 1 by 2 divided by 32 raised to power 1 by 5. We can write 64 as 8 raised to power 2 in the form of exponent. 8 raised to power 2 is equals to 64, and 32 is equals to 2 raised to power 5. After that, when we get power 2 of 8 and again power 1 by 2 of whole term, we can write it 8 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2, and 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5 is equals to 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5. Then 2 is cancelled by 2 and 5 is cancelled by 5. Then we get 8 raised to power 1 is equals to 8, and 2 raised to power 1 is equals to 2, and 8 by 2 is equals to 4. Clear? I repeat it again. 64 is equals to 8 raised to power 2, and 32 is equals to 2 raised to power 5, and 8 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2. When we get power again 2 and again power 1 by 2, and in the denominator we get 2 raised to 5 and again power 1 by 5 is equals to 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 5, and 2 is cancelled by 2 and 5 is cancelled with 5. We get 8 by 2 is equals to 4 is the answer. Thanks very much.